Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by -0.27% compared to yesterday, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by -0.45% and the price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by -0.78%.
Latest news.
Paradigm launches alpha version of Rivet, an open-source developer wallet and tool for EVM chains. Paradigm has released the alpha version of Rivet, an open-source developer wallet and tool for Ethereum virtual machine (EVM) chains. The tool, available as a browser extension, allows developers to inspect, debug, modify, and operate local Ethereum nodes, manage multiple addresses, sign and submit transactions or messages, and view transaction history. The tool aims to improve the front-end development experience and open new productivity boundaries for developers. Decentralized social protocol Farcaster to launch v3 on August 29th. Farcaster, a decentralized social protocol, is set to launch its v3 version on August 29th. Users will be able to register for free, and existing users will not need to do anything to continue using the network. New users will need to pay an annual fee of $5 to use the network. The protocol previously plans to migrate to the OE mainnet, with permissionless registration. Kronos research engineers sentenced for causing 1.4 million loss. 2 engineers at cryptocurrency quant firm Kronos Research were sentenced by the Taipei District Court to 8 and 10 months in prison, respectively, after tampering with the company's trading simulation environment and predictive analysis code, resulting in a 1.4 million loss for the company. One of the engineers, Chen, was sentenced to a fine instead of serving the sentence, while the other, HSU, was sentenced to 10 months with the option to pay a fine in lieu of imprisonment. DefiLlama introduces developer activity tracking feature. DefiLlama has launched a new feature that allows users to track the developer activity of projects listed on its platform. The feature provides information on weekly and monthly submissions, the number of developers involved, and the date of the last submission. Judge to hear Sam Bankman-Fried's defense against 4 million pages of new evidence. Sam Bankman-Fried's defense team will argue against using newly released evidence in his upcoming trial. The DOJ has provided 4 million pages of discovery less than 6 weeks before the trial, scheduled for October 3rd. Bankman-Fried is accused of misappropriating user funds for investments, personal expenses, and political campaign donations. He faces a total of 12 criminal counts and will be heard in 2 trials starting in October 2023 and March 2024. BitBrowser users suffer private key leak. Losses reach $410,000. Press release: Slowmist founder Yu Xiang reported a private key leak incident involving BitBrowser users, resulting in losses of at least $410,000. Previously, Foresight News reported on remote code execution vulnerability in certain versions of WPS for Windows, leading to the theft of private keys for several BitBrowser users. Rogue X team members accused of PEPE Multisig withdrawal. 3 Rogue X team members of PEPE have stolen $1 million worth of the project's funds, causing the price to drop by 15%. The remaining team member has assured the PEPE community that the funds and account are secure, but opinions on the announcement were mixed. The price of PEPE has increased by 5.7% over the past 24 hours, with a current market cap of 382.7 million. Yearn community votes on launching v3 proposal. The Yearn community is voting on a proposal to launch the Yearn v3 system, which will allow anyone to deploy yield-generating vaults and strategies without permission. Yearn v3 seeks to commoditize the functionality of Yearn vaults and simplify the writing of strategies. The system will feature fully independent 4,626 compatible vaults that can deploy capital to multiple strategies and accept funds from various vaults. Users will pay fees for debt management. Yearn v3 also introduces protocol fees, which will be set by Yearn governance and calculated as a percentage of the total fees collected when any v3 vault or strategies report. Not Larva Labs founder, PAULY responds to PEPE official announcement. For site news, Larva Labs founder PAULY responds to PEPE community announcement, calling it nonsense. He questions why news was not released immediately and accused team of deceiving Matt Fury and community. PEPE community announced that a former team member stolen 160 trillion PEPE tokens, with remaining 100 trillion tokens transferred to a new wallet. PAULY believes PEPE will be even more successful than it is now. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. The Fear-Greed Index for cryptocurrency investors is at 38, indicating a high level of pessimism. The index was previously at 39, but has decreased slightly to 38. The index is calculated based on factors such as volatility, market momentum, social media, dominance, and Google Trends. The current survey is currently paused. MakerDAO founder, Rune Christensen converts 200,000 DI to 197.5 MKR. MakerDAO founder Rune Christensen has converted 200,000 DI tokens into 197.5 MKR tokens. The transactions were observed by Spot on-chain monitoring, with an average price of $1,013. Alleged former Worldcoin employee claims illegality and contacts authorities. Nadir Hajirabi, a former Worldcoin employee, claims that the Human Identity Verification project may have engaged in illegal activities. Hajirabi alleged that the project displayed very questionable activities ahead of the token's launch on July 24th. Cointelegraph has not been able to independently verify these claims. Hajirabi is in contact with authorities across different jurisdictions who are investigating Worldcoin. Robinhood accumulated $1 billion in Bitcoin in 7 months. Implications for markets. Cointelegraph reports that an enigmatic Bitcoin address has accumulated 118,000 BTC, making it the third largest holder of the cryptocurrency. The address is attributed to trading platform Robinhood, although the company has not confirmed or denied these claims. Robinhood's influence on the crypto landscape could reshape the market by enhancing retail investors' presence and potentially creating new market risks. Investors on Robinhood are known for their speculative trading habits, which might raise concerns about their approach to Bitcoin, given the possibilities of delayed ETF approval or prolonged price declines triggering mass sell-offs.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.